The 24-inch foldable cat carrier is designed to offer spacious comfort for your pets, accommodating up to 2 cats or small dogs with a weight capacity of 44 pounds. Its detachable wheels make traveling a breeze, allowing you to smoothly roll your pet through airports or during vet visits, and can be easily removed for traditional carrying. With superior ventilation provided by 4 mesh panels, your pet will enjoy refreshing airflow and visibility, while you can keep an eye on them during travels. Safety is prioritized with seatbelt straps to anchor the carrier securely in your car and an internal safety tether that prevents your pet from escaping. The carrier offers 3 convenient ways to carry: with a handle, a padded shoulder strap, or by rolling it, ensuring flexibility and ease during any outing. Constructed with a lightweight yet durable frame, this carrier maintains its shape and stability, making it an ideal choice for both everyday use and travel.